Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are well. Straight into it. What we've got today is a gas fire which has got a nest in it. We've had it booked in a little while, and I'm here to just clear. Start that again, got a bit of a flat battery. Yeah, I'm just here to clear the chimney. The gas fire unit has been replaced, so we don't need to care about that. Just need to care about being clean. I would say it's a dead straight chimney on this, and the nest is quite high up. I had the camera on it a little while ago, but it was an active nest, so I left it and organised to come back today, and here I am. So we're going to use this thick stranded whip head that looks nasty but should do the job, and just the thick rods so we can abuse it a bit. And then we're just going to use the soot sheet, but I'm going to use magnets to hold it on. I'm just starting to dry out. My first job was outside. It's been raining for 2 days. And my first job was an outside one, and I was stood outside for quite a while in the rain. I'm just drying off now. Fortunately, it's not too cold. So I'm not bothering with pleats and stuff on this one. There's no need. Let's go in there. Let me see. Just using magnets. La la la. Oh, they're strong. The reason I'm not bothering with pleats is the magnets are really strong, and you have to really want to rip them off. Not to say that it won't happen, but I found that it's a lot stronger. Okay, so I'm just going to tape this bottom sheet down, this bottom part. I've just been to the little coffee shop around the corner and grabbed a bit of caffeine just to cheer my face up. And then just round the corner is a butcher's. I'm going to pop in there and grab something for tea later. Okay, well done. I want to be quick here because I've got a stove to do next and it's horrible and time consuming. And I hate doing it, but I do it every year. So I'm going to abuse the nest quite hard. I'm not going to sweep the chimney with this brush because it's an old chimney and we don't want to damage it. So I'm just going to get the nest out with this brush, and then we might just run a normal soft brush up and down it afterwards. There it is. Wow. Did you hear that? I'm going to put my mask on. It's not dusty, but you never know what's in a nest. So my next step is just to make sure the rods are out the top. It's 10 metres on there. I'm not sure, it might be out. Once I've got it out, I know that the flue is clear, and then I'm going to sweep it down, just trying to get any remaining nest. And we're on the first, or the 3 metres below the top of the chimney pot, in that area where the nest was. And then take all this out and have a look, see what we've got. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I just put another extra one on. It's out the pot now, so it was just below the pot. I'll take that off. And let's just sweep it. Mask back on. Okay, the brush is sat on top of some nest material, so it's not coming all the way out. So I'm just going to drop the sheet back and see what we've got. I didn't sweep anymore. You can tell when the stuff's falling, the sheet billows out, and it wasn't doing that. So it's a good indicator that everything's down. All of this stuff here is the bedding material. It's wool and soft stuff, and then the rest is the big sticks which form the structural part. I'm just going to get that rod out. I can feel a draft now. There's a nice good draft there. Lots of bedding material, all the sticks. So we're going to get rid of all of that. And then one last visual inspection. Fingers crossed, because it's a straight flue, we should be able to see out the top. If not, might put the camera in. We'll see how I feel. Okay. I'll be back shortly. Okay, there is some more up there because it was full. It sort of built up into the chimney. So I'm just going to put the sheet back up and just get the rest down because, you know, it's twigs and they all get stuck. There you go. About the same again. So I'm going to fill up this bin bag a bit more and then might have to go and get another bin bag. Can you hear me? Let's get to it. So I've got it all in a bag. I'm just going to get rid of this bag. I might bring my camera in just to have a quick look, because I don't want to leave anything behind further up and there'll be a problem in the future. I was just thinking while I was cleaning all this up, there's no carbon monoxide detector in this room. It's an old house, and there's no bird guard on the chimney pot, and I don't think the chimney's been swept in a while. Just goes to show how dangerous it could have been if the lady who lived here would have used a gas fire. They'd have got carbon monoxide poisoning, and there was no alarm in the room to alert her to any issues. So it's quite dangerous, really. There's a lot of fires, not so many like this, old houses that haven't been updated for a while, no bird guards, or the bird guards well gone, gas fires that don't get serviced much, little use, and they end up full of nest. So definitely have a chimney swept, even if it's a gas fire, and serviced by the gas man, who will do a draft test, a spillage test, and definitely get a carbon monoxide detector. They're very cheap now, so, and it could, save your life at the end of the day. So anyway, moving on, let me get rid of this bag, and I'll be back. I'm going to tidy that up a bit. I'm going to fire the camera up quick just to have a look, just the cheap camera, and yeah, we'll see what's going on. Back in a minute. Anyway, we are back. Just going to fire up this cheap camera just to right anyway, look, just to see. I don't need that. I don't know what I'm doing with that. Just to make sure it's clear, and then I might just rip all the coals out and stick them in a bag, because it's all the gas fitter's going to do, isn't it? Save him a job. Just set this thing up. Can't remember how it goes. Like that. There we go. That'll do. Silly chimney. Well, I can see daylight already. But let's continue on a bit more. Just to check. just want to check if there's any ledges, any nests still on, which there isn't. Straight after this, there's a little kink in the vent in the chimney there. There's another one coming up. But it's not a, it's a pretty straight, so almost not a bend. And there you go. Tiny little bit of nest there, look. Okay, so I need to just give that another quick sweep. Let's get them in. So I want to work at the 8 meters. I don't want to be working above or below. Really. Getting the mask on again. Here it is. Needs to wash that mask. Alrighty, that is the nest out, confirmed with the camera. I didn't show you, did I? Anyway, it definitely is, because I wouldn't leave it. and you can see the bit more's come out here. And there was just a few little bricks, a series of little ledges. And it was just perched on there. They're flipping good at building nests, aren't they? So I need to get this camera away, and then get the rods out of the house, come back with a bag, get everything out of that fireplace. Everything out of the fireplace, everything, and then stick it in a bag outside. Oh, my nose is running in that mask. Ugh. There was just a little bit more on the ledge, which I forgot to check. I've messaged my next customer to tell them just running behind a little bit because of this. Which they're fine, they're just around the corner. Right then, let's get rid of that. Back. Everything goes. All right, that's that done. It took forever. You can see out the top now. I've checked it with the camera. It's all clear. Customer's having a whole new fire fitted. So the gas man will do his own spillage tests and all that on that, so I'm not going to bother with that. Yeah, so we are done. Hope you enjoyed that. It was amazing, and I'll see you on the next one. Any questions, make them in the comment section, and I'll see you there. Have a great day. Bye now.